We're live. Hi everyone, Christy here, mymomtaughtme.com. Last week we made, careful, don't hit. Last week we made, what did we make, girls?
Monster Rocks.
Yep.
Oh yeah, Monster Rocks.
Last week we made Monster Rocks. Sorry for the rockin', trying to get stable here. And today we decided to make, what are we making?
Monster Bookmarks.
Yes.
Except mine's a key. These are the rock ones. These are the rock ones.
Yep, those are our Monster Rocks. So today we're going to make Monster Bookmarks. And here is like an example. They're the corner bookmarks. So they just go over your corners like that. Something fun for the kids and for you to do. You can literally do this. You can make animals. You can make all sorts of different designs with these. I'm actually thinking of just using some stock paper and making some as well. Oh, it says Mimi's watching.
Hey, Mimi. Hi, Mimi.
So you guys can go ahead. I won't be able to see the comments. I'll check periodically. But if you guys have any questions, I will answer them later. And if you have made these bookmarks, we would love to hear or even see the ones you have made. So first things first is you're going to want some paper, probably colored, depending on what you want to do. I know, we're going to have to get better glue. Somehow I'm out of glue. We got dried glue, basically, we're working with.
The only good glue we have is this, and it's not that good.
Yeah. So we're just using construction paper, but you can use any sort of paper. So first things first, you're going to want a square. I used my paper cutter. You're going to have to... Jenna's wanting to make another one here. So ours is 9 by 9 that we're doing. Another way to get your square is just to fold the one corner up. I'll show you with the white paper, like this, and then cut this off, and then you'll get your square. So you're gonna take your square and you're gonna fold corner to corner like so, and you can do it like that to have like a grid. So after you do that, you're going to want to fold the middle down to the bottom. And then you're going to take each corner to the middle, bottom middle. And fold along the side to get a nice crease. Then fold them back open. Ooh, nice. The little snake. That's what it looks like. I like your googly eyes. Then you're going to want to fold along this line up on both sides. It's all right if it's not exact. Mine never line up perfectly, as you can tell. But I think the goal is to kind of have it more closer. And then, oh, look at that. Jenna's done before me. You can hold it. You might want to. I can't.
Let's see if it's
I can't.
dry.
She
tried to glue inside. It's liquidy.
I can't get it open. And then after that, you're going to take these and tuck them in that folded down part you already did, like that. Both of them. Is that a spider?
This?
Yeah. Oh,
cat.
Oh, it's a cat. That's cute.
It's a cat with
so like
razor sharp teeth.
So this is what you're left with. It's like a pocket, and the point of it is to go over the side of your book to make a bookmark.
It's eating the page.
Mm-hmm. Yep, it's like it's eating the page. So, like so. There you go. I'm a leftist. So then, for the monsters, we cut out some eyes. You can make eyes and color on them, or cut out black circles and add them to them to get your eyeballs. Or you can do your googly eyes, you can find these at the dollar store. That's where I've gotten my bags. I think I'm actually going to do, I want to do a bunch of different eyes on mine. Now the googly eyes might, I have not tried this out with our books, but I'm assuming that the googly eyes may be hit or miss. They might pop off if you use the bookmark a lot.
I was going to put mine in the middle, but then I knew it was going to fold like this, so it'd pop it off.
Right.
So I didn't do it. Ugh. My finger got on the glue. I forgot it was there.
So anyways, if you're doing the googly eyes, just know that they might pop off if you use it as the bookmark and frequently being in between the pages. So when you're designing your monster bookmarks, like I had mentioned back with the Monster Rocks, the point is to have fun, right, girls?
Oh, yeah.
The point is to have fun, right? So we're doing our eyeballs. This glue, I don't know about it. There's probably better glue out there, but for now we're just using the glue sticks. Sure, it'll fall apart. Hot glue. I guess you could use hot glue. Right?
Oh yeah, that's what we said to do.
Oops.
Instead of using glue. But
I am just...
When you're done,
I'm not a fan of glue or glitter.
I like sequins.
Yeah, I just want to get these on there.
Because they don't leave
Sequins?
these.
Oh, those things, yeah. See, this one eyeball's going to pop up. I didn't get enough on there. Oh, boy. Bet if I had liquid glue, but of course, like always, it doesn't want to come out. What?
I'm gonna do it.
Oh, thanks. Ah. Yeah, my kids love to make messes. All right, it's getting on the floor. Yes, thank you.
Okay, I take that back. I don't like them. They make a mess.
All right, Emma, our mess maker, queen of messes. All right, did you do your bookmark? Are you gonna show them?
Oh, yeah. It's in this book.
Did you put it in your book already?
Yes.
What monster did you make? Oh,
I don't know. I was trying to go for a dinosaur.
A dinosaur? Ooh, with the sequins at the top. For what are they supposed to be?
Like scales.
Nice.
It says software update.
That's fine.
Close.
Yep. All right.
Because I can't see. Even upside down, he looks good.
Yeah.
Yeah, I didn't know how to do his pattern because there was a crease there, and I thought I could do it like that.
I know. It is a little
I
difficult
didn't
when
know
you
how
have
to do his scales.
that crease there in the middle. I'm having a heck of a time with these eyeballs. All right. So I have my eyeballs on. Next thing is to do some fun teeth. You can do triangles. You can do
vampire teeth.
Yeah, vampire teeth. Good one. I have some scissors.
Bunny teeth. I was gonna say, where's your phone?
Or you can get the ones that have the edges. If you have any of those, it makes it so it gives a nice teeth look. So I have these, and I'm just gonna cut a thin. And then it has to fit in there, so I just do this while it's folded in half. And then cut it like that because we have the angle. And then I'm going to glue it. Slide up in there. I should have done the pointed teeth, but this one is so much easier. My eyeballs, I bet you, are gonna fall. Don't fall. I need better glue. I should have got in on the glue deals. I knew it. I knew there was something that I was missing. I actually didn't buy any new school supplies this year, did I?
Nope.
Craziness. Yeah, except for our school books. But everything else. So that is basically the gist of these bookmarks, you guys. Pretty simple. I think the hardest part is the folding.
I got the pixel, the same exact pixel.
Yep. Yep. So, I just wanted to show you real quick.
There's also tons.
Yep. So, I have a book of cardstock paper here. You can actually get at craft stores, or you can find... Just to show you what the paper looks like. Or you can find them at Walmart now. Walmart actually sells these. I was surprised to see. It might vary depending on yours. But
this one is the exact same one as this
which one do I want to do? Maybe this one.
Yeah.
So, it'd also be fun too if you don't want to do all the gluing and stuff like that. Or if you have older kids. An idea would be to just take some of this cardstock paper. Don't mind me. Let's see, what size do I want here? These are 12. I'm going to do 6. And cut your squares. Whoops, sorry, Jenna. So I'm going to do a 6x6. I don't know if a 6x6 would work. What did I do before? I did quite bigger.
You could also do these.
I want to see.
The popsicle sticks with the...
Oh, those are cool. Let me see how this would work.
Mine looks weird.
Let's see.
Oh, well, I like
I did not do this before. I kind of am like just doing them to show you. This is our first time making these. That is cool. Show them. Isn't that cute? Here, put it on the book.
You could also do like Amazon.
So these are our first time making these because I wanted to show you guys how simple.
Like bunnies and stuff. And
yes. Okay. How simple they really are, you guys. So don't get discouraged while you're doing these crafts and stuff. You guys can totally do it. And you can shop at the Dollar Tree and find some really frugal things for only $1. I mean, I get the construction paper there for $1. Oh, yeah. I was Googling some ideas for some different ones.
There's also that one from that one.
I want to see how this one works because it's
so
tiny.
One movie.
See, that's another thing too. Just with the cardstock, it's gonna be a little difficult to figure out your patterns. Yeah, that is cool.
It'd be a lot easier with the wet glue or hot glue to do what I'm
sure
doing.
It would. So, just so you can get the idea though of what it would look like. It'd look cooler with this. If I did it bigger or a different pattern with this small one. So you can totally do any size too. And again, mine didn't match up perfectly, but that's all right. And then you have your bookmark. So I think that is really cool and it's great too. School's started, kids will be reading and we have our school books and stuff. So we have these now and we can use them. So I would love to hear your thoughts on these guys. If you are going to try them, let us know. If you have made them, go ahead and tell us about it. We'd love to see them if you have any pictures of them. What do you guys think about them? You like your Monster Bookmarks?
Yeah, I like this one better.
I do like your purple one. So we will see you guys later. Bye. And I will hopefully have a how-to with some pictures and some step-by-steps for those that like the more instructional, I don't know what I'm trying to say.
I just looked up cool crafts for kids.
Yeah. So we will see you guys later. Tell everybody bye.
Bye.
Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.